How do you get your partner back after you were caught cheating on them? If you are wondering this very question, I don't want to say that you're wondering the wrong thing, but I'll go ahead and say it anyway. You're wondering the wrong thing. A way better question that you can ask yourself and find the answer for that is going to help you more is, how do I become a person that is worthy of trust? How do I break my own patterns that have broken trust? One thing that you can begin doing is take full ownership of your actions and no longer minimize anything. And I know right now you might be thinking, but coach, I know what I've done is wrong and I'm not minimizing anything. I take full accountability for what I've done. Well, I was a serial cheater for over a decade. And I'll tell you this. You can think that you are in fact taking full ownership of your actions and are not. You can genuinely think that you are not minimizing anything and you still are. You see, when your betrayed partner expresses their feelings, their thoughts about you and what you've done, you're so quick to correct them. You're so quick to explain to them that what they think happened isn't as bad as what they think. And though that may be your truth, realize that explanations are minimizations. That is still you not taking full ownership of your actions, and you are in fact still minimizing them. What you would rather do is emphasize the seriousness of your actions and say, yes, I did that. And that's massive. And I need to find out why I did that. That's a major issue. And I need to get down to why I did that and change that to make sure that I never do that again. And not just expect you to believe my promises after I've broken your trust. No, you take the initiative to go above and beyond to find what got you there, to make sure that you never get yourself there again. But you see, you don't want to emphasize the seriousness of your actions because of this. You don't want your partner to think worse of you than they already do. You think that by agreeing with how bad they see you or how bad they feel, I'm not saying to agree with what you don't agree with. However, when you feel the need to defend those actions in some way, all that shows them is a lack of accountability. And when there is a signal of a lack of accountability, your betrayed spouse thinks that at the root, you think that what you've done isn't wrong, or it's not as bad as what it is, or you don't actually understand it. And if they think any of these things, then they're never going to be able to begin to trust you. Like the video, comment your questions below. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.